Hi everyone, Mike Volkin here with Freelancer Masterclass. This is going to be a quick tip video because I've been working with a lot of freelancers lately and a lot of them don't do this, so I wanted to make a video about it. These are the 3 things you must do every time you're assigned freelance work. Alright, so understand what these tips are and make them a daily part of your practice. First thing that you need to do is you need to discuss deliverables. You're assigned freelance work from a client. You have to tell them what the deliverable will be. Is it going to be in a Word document? Is it going to be an Excel file? If you're a graphic designer, are you going to deliver the original Photoshop files or AI files, or are you just going to deliver some kind of watermarked JPEG file? Tell them what the deliverable will be so there's no surprises. And then also, when discussing this, you also want to ask them how much work or time it's going to require of the client in order to complete that deliverable. So if you're assigned, say, sticking with graphics, if you're assigned a graphic design job, you're going to have to maybe meet with the client. You have to tell them, hey, I'm going to need an hour of your time between now and Thursday. If I'm going to deliver this on Thursday, I need an hour of your time, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, okay? Unless they know that, then they're just going to assume it's going to be delivered without any time needed on their end, okay? Another thing you have to do, number 2, on the 3 things you must do every time you're assigned freelance work. Another thing is to discuss timing. You know, what is the time frame for delivering the tasks or the project? You know, in the last tip, we talked about what the deliverable format will be. Now we're talking about the timing. Is it going to be delivered in a month? Is it going to be delivered in a week? And this is probably, this is definitely the reason why, what spurred me to create this video, because I just assigned work to a freelancer, seemed like a small job, thought it was going to get done, mistakenly thought it was going to get done in a week, and a week goes by, I don't hear a word from him. And he's like, oh, this one's going to take a month because I got to do this, this, and this. Okay, I didn't realize that. Like, you got to tell me. Now I have to push other projects back because this project won't get done. He didn't tell me anything about the timeline. He just assumed, and that is not a way to get repeat business from a client. So make sure you're clear about the time frame, because it might be clear to you, but it's not clear to your client. And also, will it be delivered all at once? A lot of times projects, especially development projects and coding projects, are delivered in sprints or in phases. So you have to tell the client what they're expected, when they're expected to be delivered, and what stage of the project. Okay. And the last thing, and I do have a bonus, so don't log off just yet. The last thing is to discuss your hours. You know, a lot of times clients don't know how many hours it's going to take. They're going to assume it's, you know, they see the end product and think, well, this is only going to take a few hours, but they don't know. They don't know how the sauce is made. They don't know that 37 ingredients went into making that delicious tomato sauce that goes in that pasta. So discuss how many hours you need to deliver the task or the project. Will you need more hours after the delivery? Sometimes with paid ads, a lot of freelancers and contractors have to look at the data that comes in. So there's another month of just working with the client after the main delivery. So if you're in that boat there, you have to make sure that you have to tell the client, listen, I'm also going to need more hours assigned after I deliver the project. I'm still going to be working with you. Okay, and here's the bonus one, upsell or cross-sell. You know, as a freelancer, and I just did this video, look at my latest video on YouTube right before this one, is how to upsell. And you know the difference between upselling and cross-selling. There's a key difference there. But once you complete a job from a client, you should see if there's any more work, because it's way easier, if you like working with that client, it's way easier to keep working for that existing client than to bring in a new one. Okay, so I hope this helped. Good luck.